I'm going to show you how to solve the Jurassic World Evolution 3 black screen issue. So for the first method, go to the Windows search bar, type in Device Manager, then open this. It will be displaying like this, so go to the display adapters, open this side arrow. After that, select your graphics card, which is NVIDIA or AMD, right click on it and then select the first option, which is Update Driver, and then select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for it and then click Close. Now for the second method, go to the search again, type in NVIDIA. You should find this NVIDIA app displaying. If not, make sure you have an NVIDIA graphics card and then go to their official website, download the driver from there, download their official application, come back here and then you can follow process. If you do have an AMD graphics card, make sure to do the same for AMD. Now this will open. After that, first of all, make sure to sign up with your account, then go to the left menu and click on drivers, and from here you will find the GeForce Game Ready driver. All you need to do is to click on install. After that, select express installation and click on continue to initiate the process of updating your graphics card. Now go to settings in the left menu and make sure to turn off the NVIDIA overlay. Once done, for the next method, go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select task manager. Now this will open, so search for Steam in the search bar, and then if you do find it running in the background, select it, right click and select in task. Wait for a couple of moments. After that, go open the Steam launcher once again. Once done, you'll be redirected right here. So go to your library and select collections. Now search for Jurassic World 3 and then you can see this gear icon. Click it and select properties. Now all you have to do, go to launch options and then type in -DX11. After that, go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. That way, any corrupted or missing file that is responsible for the black screen issue will be automatically fixed. Just wait for the process to finish, and that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.